Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we did the two front wheels. They're white now. One of the wheels is a bit not that great. I don't know what, as I said, don't know what's going on with it. Some chemical reaction to it, and it's just gotten pear-shaped. But today we're going to be doing the two back wheels. So I'll show you me jacking the car up and giving those tyres a wash.
Hey guys, yeah, I was having a tough time with this wheel. The studs were pretty much stuck. I don't know who tightened it last time, but I had a good struggle doing this.
Right, so now we're just going to clean these wheels up and make them all look good. Alright. So let them dry for a little bit and we'll come back. How you going, guys? So I've done the wheels, they're just down here. And I got told just to give it a light scratch up, just to make sure there's no imperfections, any grease. It might just be a bit of dirt still there, so I got told to give it a scratch up. There's a bit of blue paint from when the can exploded on me. And yeah, we'll see how that goes once they're fully dry. How you going, guys? So as I said before, it happened again. So this one, perfect, thumbs up. This one Thumbs down. So I can't do anything about it, unfortunately. I don't know, and what my mate told me didn't work, unfortunately. So probably gave it a bit more of a chance, but I don't know. So I think it's touch dry, so we're gonna start. And just a quick thing, guys, when you do spray paint or prime or anything like that, wear a mask. I'm an idiot, don't follow what I do. Absolutely wear a mask. Yeah. Okay, the wheels have been painted white. The first can I used for the other wheels, great stuff, worked fine, nice and smooth. The second can that I got today, because the other one was broken, so I had to return it, I think it's really old. It sprays really badly. It like spurts out, like really bad. So, you know, as I said, these wheels are just for show, just to see how it looks first off, as I can get new rims anyway. So I'll show you what they look like. It's not that great. So from a distance, they look pretty good. When you work up close, obviously you can see the imperfections of where, or for some reason why that keeps doing it, I don't know. But you see, the can's really bad. It was spraying all over the joint. And then you got this on here. So it split out too thick here. And then here's all the stuff. I must have dust or something. It sprayed really badly. So look at that. That's horrible. So yeah, but it's only just to see if the white mixes with the blue. Once I do get new rims, it will be a really good job. This is just a mock-up just to see how it goes. So yeah, you won't be disappointed in the next one when I do it fully properly. I'll be using a compressor and everything. How you going, guys? So I've put the wheels on, as good as they are, you know, test run, so better next time. So let me just show you. So I think it makes the car pop out nicely. Even this side's a bit meh because it's got the two crap wheels on it because of the paint. I still don't know, but yeah, looks good. Sorry about the light, guys, and I still Still got to see if I should do that white or not. I reckon that would make it look good. You know what, we'll give it a try. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.